Wagwan YouTube, Wagwan, it's Toby is awesome again. We are back. We are back in Animal Crossing Let's Go to the City today, but for a different reason. Now Oliver met up with this dude named Pascal last time. But this time I'm gonna be getting a hold of the Wiimote. And I'm gonna be getting a hold of it because again, that Herbert profile is just us messing around. Anyway, the reason we're doing some of this is mostly because I'm hardly ever in the Let's Play. Like I've played a lot of Let's Go to the City. Like, I'm really into it and I enjoy it an awful lot, but I don't really play it very often, like, as a part of the Let's Play. So I thought it would be kind of nice to see me do an episode for once. Now, if you would like to see the Herbert profile being used at some point, you have yet to comment, but it's really not the Family Guy Herbert, like, so it's not going to be what you think. It's just going to be it's just going to be an extra profile, but we can show it off at some point if you would like. So this is the shop. I don't really see anything here I want. I just thought we could stop off here real quick, maybe get something nice for the town, like some flowers. And yes, I realised I was really sus to just pick a flower, like, right as you're saying, oh, I'll buy this flower. I know that's sus, even in Animal Crossing, but I still feel like doing it. Though people do get angry at me for doing that. Like, I'm not going to say it was unnecessary to... I'm not going to say it's completely unnecessary to point out that I'm making Among Us references after Oliver scolded me for basically doing the exact opposite, but... Well, no, didn't want to drop that. I would like to clearly state up front that yes, I do know how to play Animal Crossing. Alright? Basic green bed. That is mine, so I will keep it. My god, this gamepad is absolutely disgusting. Oliver is supposed to be keeping this gamepad clean. What was that I just pocketed? Okay, why can I not open my pockets? Watering through, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place down my basic green badge because I want to keep it. I don't really find a use for the watering through, so I'm gonna sell that. And I pocketed something else. Again, I do know how to play Animal Crossing on the Wii. I'm a little rusty because I haven't played it in a while, alright? Alright, Nook. What's the damage? You've been in this type of show business for a while, I can tell. Yes, I was trying to say show business. Believe me. Watering through... And we get the typical train, of course. Well, if it isn't Toby, haven't seen your mug in a while, have I? What do you mean by that? Yeah, we're still temporarily between TVs. Hopefully we'll figure something out for that in the future. But for now, look forward to some horrendous quality gamepad videos. Believe me, it's all we've got. This orange tree was not here originally. We planted it so that this area wouldn't be wasted. Just wanted to mention that. I'm also gonna participate in the Animal Crossing New Leaf Welcome Amiibo Let's Play, so just throwing that out there. Oh, it's you. Who are you talking about? Hi, Toby. I'm sorry, I'm a little distracted right now. I think I lost my house key. Oh my god! That can happen? I might as well show off the Herbert house anyway. But there really isn't anything too inappropriate in here, see? This is just like, I believe this is a storage profile or something. I mean, look, the character even has bedhead. Well, I'm assuming he has bedhead. I can't really tell because of that cap, but can you see there's some spikes kind of like, much like mine. That is because he's got bedhead, so we don't use the Herbert profile very often. We just added him so that we would have more people living in the town, make it look more popular, you know. More things to look at, more people to meet. So there's nothing to do with Family Guy whatsoever. Is anyone living in this house? Oh my god, there's a vacant house! It's a vacant house! Yay, I've always wanted to do this. Okay. Oh, I've just got into an abandoned house. Oh, my whole life I've wanted to go into an abandoned house in Animal Crossing. And it looks like this one's completely abandoned. Right. Using other people's phones without permission is kind of rude. But there isn't anyone living here. So, how can it be rude if there's no one living here? Well, maybe we'll show more of that house off later. We might even use it as our secret base. How about that? Maybe when me and Oliver make episodes of this game, we can use that yellow roof house as our secret base. Yeah, there he is now. Oliver!
Yeah? What's up?
Listen, I was just wondering if we can use that vacant Let's Go to the City house as our in-game secret base.
What one are we talking about?
Oh, hold on, I'll walk you back to it. This one.
Are you sure that one's empty?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, Oliver's filming for me right now. Yeah, and if we go up here, we can see that there's no one in here either. So wouldn't it be cool to have this as like our secret base, kind of? for making gameplay recordings. We can do like Animal Crossing Let's Go to the City secret base videos.
Do you know what? I think we could use this house as our secret base. Turn the camera to me. Do you guys want to see that? Would you guys like to see a Let's Go to the City secret base thing? Would that be something you guys would want to see in the series?
Well, I know that's something I'd like to see, so what do you say? What do you say, bro?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm down for this. I'm down for that. Do you know our Herbert character is looking at moving out of our Let's Go to the City town?
He's moving out? Aww.
Nah, I don't think he's moving out. I don't know. I don't think he's moving out. Herbert's a nice guy.
Which Herbert?
The Herbert that lives in our Let's Go to the City town. He's not like the Mr. Herbert in Family Guy. He's nothing like it. Ooh, a waitress shirt. Would you like to buy that lovely dress?
No, I would not.
Okay.
We are going to go to the city, though. We're going to go to the city for a bit. Because it's not an Animal Crossing Let's Go to the City video if we don't show off the city at least once. You know? The game's not Wild World. See you guys there. Well, we're here. Eek, I have to get my fortune told. I wonder if I have enough money. Huh. Shall we see how many bells I've got saved up? Let's see what there is to see. Oh my god, I don't even have any bells. Which is not good, because that means I don't have enough for our debt or for the bus fare. No! Now, what was that thing Oliver normally does? Oh, I'm sure I'll remember it. I'll remember it when this episode's over. That would be definitely sus, wouldn't it? Right. Well, we've shown off the city at least once. But I know what he does. So, I didn't even get to choose what emotion I wanted to see, but oh well. Dr. Shrunk.
It's always Dr. Shrunk. What about Frillard? Are we going to get to see him at some point?
Well, we might, but you got to remember he only comes with at least about 3 years, I think it is.
3 years.
I think that's it. 3 years or months, I don't know. Is he just going to ramble on?
Yeah.
Right, we're back in town. Right guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. So I thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. As always, have a great day. But first things first, before I actually do close off the video, what do you guys think of this? This new artwork we've got going down. What do you guys think of that?
You better like it. It took me a long time.
They do. Hopefully next episode, Oliver will show off the secret base a little bit more.
Yeah. You're talking about that yellow roof house?
Yes, I am. That house with the yellow roof is our secret base now.
Next time, the Herbert character will probably be gone.
Oh, that sucks. Bye, guys.